When I'm cooking, I like to tell a story. Being creative for me means being playful. When I'm doing content, it's always what's new. So when I started doing things like the TikTok and Instagram, I didn't want to pander to trends or dances or things like that just for the sake of getting views. So I was like, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it the way that I get to be me. I love this for so many different reasons. I love the chaos that it brings. I love the new opportunities it brings. I'm not just a chef. I get to be so many different things when I do this. The tools I use to create are so important to me. I need to use tools in order to do everything that I do. Having a good software for editing is so important to me because it gets me from A to B so much quicker. I hope that other people can see what I've been doing and what I've been getting up to and how I've gone about it, and it inspires them to do the same, and that it's okay to feel all of those things.